in the field today after a couple videos where we didn't do any field work. We're back in it. Right now I'm in the 9520T with the brand new tracks. If you've been up to date on the YouTube channel and the TikTok page, you know about that situation. Got the new tracks on. We're ripping through the chisel plow right now, turning some of this wheat stubble from Harvest 2023. That probably won't be all of the field work we're doing in today's video. I believe the soybeans are getting pretty dang ready. We did a little bit of some patchy stuff with the soybeans already and harvested, you know, not too much, maybe like a hopper full or something, but we should be able to go full force on the soybeans this week, I think, as long as the rain doesn't keep us out of the field. You can see we look a little bit dark here. I think there's some more coming today. It's been a little drizzly, but the soybeans are still turning very well, and they're probably just about ready. The sunflowers got sprayed via crop dusting, as you saw in the last video as well. Those should be ready in a week or so. So we should be really going to town here on soybeans and sunflowers pretty soon. This video is likely going to be full of field work unless the rain has other ideas. I'll keep you guys updated on all that. Stay tuned for more in this video. Roll the intro. Let's get started. Okay, everybody, we're a couple days later now, and soybean harvest is full go. We only have that one combine working on soybeans, which is out right now. It's about pretty late right now, 5 o'clock or so, but it's finally dry enough after the fog this morning. Combining the soybeans in our biggest soybean field. Like I said before, only 250 acres of soybeans total for us this year, so not really a lot in the rotation. So one combine should be done in a few days if everything goes well. What didn't go well today was chisel plowing. This is kind of day 3 of chisel plowing for me and working on some of that wheat stubble. Had a bearing go out in that tire up there, not as dirty one, and that is not good to cultivate on. So we are going to get that tire off and get this thing fixed up. We're kind of shut down for the day on the chisel plow. So combine is going pretty well, except for it being a little bit too wet for most of the day today, but yesterday got started late as well, but did get some stuff done with that field, and it goes pretty quick for soybeans. I think before I get started here on this tire, I didn't quite leave enough room for the semis to get by here for unloading trucks and everything. So I'm gonna get this blue truck out of here, back it up, get this tractor kind of wedged diagonally in here so I can change the tire on this cement, and also trucks can get by. So that's what I'm going to do, work on that, and then we'll go see what the combine's up to later on. One more thing before we go check out the combining now that that tire's off. Bearing definitely shot. Get that replaced in the morning. I'm gonna take the 7510 here, go clip some ditches. There's only one ditch left to clean, I think, and just gotta do one pass, maybe about a half-mile long. Get that done. It's kind of one of those things that's on the list if we have time between field stuff. Knock this out, and then we'll check out the combining and see how that's going along.